Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to use the Roto Brush Tool and keyframes in Adobe After Effects. This technique is very easy, looks amazing and really helps grab attention in your videos. Import the clip first. For this tutorial, I'm using a mountain clip. Duplicate and apply Roto Brush. Now, duplicate the clip. This is a very important step. Select the upper layer, double click on it and choose the Roto Brush tool. Start painting over the subject from the beginning of the clip. At first, it may feel difficult, but trust me, it's actually very easy. Just drag the brush over the area you want to select, and After Effects will do most of the work. Freeze the roto. Once your selection looks good, click the freeze button. Now wait for the magic to happen while After Effects processes the roto. Check the result. Go back to the composition. You'll see that the background is removed. To check it clearly, turn off the eye icon of the bottom layer. Add your text and adjust it according to your design. Place the text layer below the video layer, keeping the text roughly in the middle. Step 7. Animate using position. Keyframes, press bar on the keyboard to open the position property. Click the stopwatch to activate keyframes. Now move the position value so the text comes upward as if it's appearing from behind the mountain. Smooth the animation, enable motion blur on both layers. To make the animation smoother, open the graph editor and adjust the graph like this. The text starts fast and then slows down. And that's it. Your animation is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.